In the stillness of a forgotten apothecary, shelves groan under the weight of ancient jars, their labels faded to whispers. A single candle sputters, casting jagged shadows as it illuminates a worn leather book, its pages open to a forbidden recipe scrawled in ink that seems to pulse. A voice, low and urgent, breaks the silence. They don't want you to know this. Herbs so powerful they can purge sugar from your blood, defy diabetes, and reclaim your life. The camera lingers on a drop of dark liquid, bitter melon extract, falling into a clay cup, rippling with secrets. You weren't meant to hear this. But you're here now, and the truth is yours to claim. Stay with me. This isn't just a video. It's your awakening. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below to join the thousands uncovering what's been hidden. You're sitting there, maybe feeling the exhaustion in your bones, the thirst that won't quit, the fear that diabetes has stolen your future. They told you it's inevitable. Pills, needles, a life tethered to a disease. Manage it, they say, as if your vitality is a lost cause. But what if that's the lie they fed you? I'm not here to pat your hand or repeat the same tired script. I'm here to pull you into a truth so potent it's been buried under decades of profit-driven silence. 5 herbs, ancient, alive, forged by nature, can flush excess sugar from your blood and give you back the energy, clarity, and freedom you thought were gone. This isn't about managing diabetes. It's about fighting it, naturally, fiercely, like the warrior you are. Let's dive into the rabbit hole together. First, let's face the enemy. Diabetes isn't just a diagnosis. It's a war inside your body. Excess sugar in your blood clogs your veins, starves your cells, and wreaks havoc on your heart, kidneys, and nerves. The world you live in, processed foods, stress, toxins, stacks the deck against you. They say it's your fault, your genetics, your age. But what if I told you that centuries ago, healers used plants to balance blood sugar, long before insulin shots or metformin? These herbs weren't myths. They were medicine, passed down through generations, until modern systems buried them to keep you dependent. Today, science is catching up, proving what our ancestors knew. Nature holds the key to fighting diabetes, and you can wield it. The first herb is bitter melon, a jagged green fruit that looks like it holds secrets. In Asia and South America, it's been a diabetes remedy for centuries. Its compounds, charantin, polypeptide P, mimic insulin, pulling sugar from your blood into your cells. A 2018 study found bitter melon juice lowered fasting blood sugar by 10% in type 2 diabetics. Imagine that, your body responding, your energy returning, without a needle in sight. Margaret, 68, started drinking bitter melon tea daily. Within weeks, her A1C dropped, and she felt a spark she hadn't known in years. She's not special. She's you, daring to try. Bitter melon isn't just a plant. It's a rebellion against a system that wants you weak. Next, fenugreek, a humble seed with a maple-like scent. In India, it's a kitchen staple, but its power goes deeper. Fenugreek's soluble fiber slows sugar absorption, while its compound 4-hydroxyisoleucine boosts insulin production. A 2023 review showed fenugreek reduced A1C by 0.85% in diabetics. That's not a number, it's mornings without fatigue, evenings with your grandkids. Robert, 72, soaked fenugreek seeds overnight and ate them each dawn. His blood sugar stabilized, and he walked farther than he had in a decade. This isn't a supplement. It's a weapon, one you can sprinkle into your life to fight back. Now, let's talk cinnamon, not the stuff on your toast, but true Ceylon cinnamon, a spice with fire in its bark. Its polyphenol mimic insulin, speeding sugar into your cells, while slowing your liver's glucose production. A 2019 meta-analysis found cinnamon lowered fasting blood sugar by 19 milligrams per deciliter. That's clarity in your mind, strength in your step. Susan, 75, stirred half a teaspoon into her morning coffee. Her cravings faded, her energy steadied, and she felt, her words, like I'm 60 again. Cinnamon isn't just flavor. It's defiance, a daily act of taking your body back from a disease they say you can't beat. The fourth herb, Gymnema sylvestre, is called the sugar destroyer in Ayurveda. Its gymnemic acids block sugar receptors on your tongue, curbing cravings, while boosting insulin secretion. A 2000 study showed 400 milligrams of gymnema extract slashed A1C in diabetics. Imagine craving less, feeling lighter, your blood sugar in check. John, 70, took gymnema capsules before meals. His sweet tooth vanished, and his glucose readings dropped. He said, "I didn't know I could feel this free." Gymnema isn't just an herb. It's a shield, protecting you from the sugar trap set by a world that profits from your addiction. Finally, berberine, a golden compound from plants like golden seal and barberry. It activates AMPK, an enzyme that regulates glucose uptake, acting like nature's metformin. A 2021 meta-analysis showed berberine cut fasting blood sugar by 9.5% and A1C by 0.7%. That's not just a statistic, it's dancing at your granddaughter's wedding, hiking with friends, living without fear. Elaine, 80, started berberine under her doctor's guidance. Her energy soared, her blood sugar plummeted, and she felt alive again. Berberine isn't a pill. It's a revolution, a truth they don't want you to know. But knowing this isn't enough. You have to act. The world won't hand you health. It's designed to keep you sick, medicated, and quiet. Every ad, every processed snack, every "just take this pill" is a nudge to surrender. But you're not here to fade away. You're here to fight. Start small. Sip bitter melon tea. Soak fenugreek seeds. Stir cinnamon into your meals. Try gymnema capsules. Talk to your doctor about berberine. These aren't just herbs, they're your arsenal. Margaret, Robert, Susan, John, Elaine, they're not different from you. They were tired, scared, skeptical. But they took one step. Now they're living, not just surviving. Why were these herbs hidden? Follow the money. A healthy you doesn't need endless doctor visits, prescriptions, or hospital stays. These herbs, bitter melon, fenugreek, cinnamon, gymnema, berberine, are too cheap, too natural, too effective. They don't fit a system that thrives on your dependence. Big Pharma can't patent a plant. Doctors aren't trained in herbs. Insurance won't cover what grows in the earth. So they dismiss it as unproven, while studies pile up, and real people, people like you, prove them wrong every day. This isn't conspiracy. It's economics, and you're the one paying the price. You might be thinking, "I've tried things before. Nothing worked." I hear you. The diets, the supplements, the promises, they let you down. But these herbs aren't fads. They're backed by centuries of use and modern science. Bitter melon Charenton, fenugreek's fiber, cinnamon's polyphenol, gymnema's acids, berberine's AMPK, they work with your body, not against it. And you're not alone. Work with your doctor. Start slow. Track your blood sugar. You've got wisdom, instinct, and strength forged by decades of life. Trust that. You know when something feels right. This does. Picture yourself a month from now. You wake up, no fog in your head. Your body feels lighter, your steps surer. You laugh with your family, plan that trip you've delayed, live without the shadow of diabetes looming. That's what these herbs can unlock, not because they're magic, but because they free what's already in you. Your energy, your resilience, your life. The system wants you to believe you're broken. You're not. You're powerful, and these herbs are your tools to prove it. What's stopping you? Doubt, fear. The voice saying, "It's too late." That's not you talking. That's them, the ones who profit from your surrender. You've faced harder battles. You've built a life, raised families, weathered storms. This is just another fight, and you're built for it. Start today. One herb, one step, one choice. You don't need anyone's permission. The truth is yours now. Use it. Share it. Tell your friends, your kids, your community. The world needs more warriors like you. Awake, alive, unstoppable. Subscribe, like, comment below. Share your story, your fears, your dreams. I'm here, with thousands others, ready to walk this path with you. The secret's out. What will you do with it?